This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Karen Sandler. New roof to be installed in this move-in ready 4-bedroom, 3-bath CBS home. Great open floor plan with volume ceilings and crown molding makes this triple split layout perfect for a family, guests and entertaining. The kitchen features quartz countertops, 42 inches cabinets and stainless appliances with a double wall oven. Tile floors throughout the main living areas, Berber in bedrooms. Spacious owner's suite has coffered ceilings. Ensuite offers dual sinks, walk-in tiled shower and soaking tub. The home features 3 full baths, a cabana bath H opens to screened lanai. Room for a pool in the large fully fenced yard. Recently installed the $8,000 vinyl fence. Air conditioner 2024, water heater 2021. No HOA. Great location in sought-after West Becker area close to shopping, restaurants, a short drive to beaches. For more information, review the details below.